Today, I want to show you exactly how to find easy niches for your new AI SEO website. If you've checked out my other videos on YouTube, you know that it's very easy to set up AI SEO websites really fast and that they can actually rank within 24 hours. It's crazy how easy it is to set up content. And whatever AI SEO tool you're using, it's very easy to start up a whole new website. The biggest issue is figuring out the best niche to create content around, because if you go after the wrong niche, it's just going to be too competitive and you're going to waste so much time trying to rank content that's basically impossible because it's too competitive or that sort of thing. So let's look at some ways to find low competition niches. So one of the best ways that you can do this is if you go onto Flippa.com. This is a place where buy and sell websites. And the beauty of this is that if you go through this website, you can find a proof of concept, which means you can easily figure out, okay, there are websites making money from SEO. I know these websites are easy to monetize, and therefore if I go after a similar niche, then I have a chance to rank too. So if we go onto Flippa.com and then we click revenue generating like this, and we're going to scroll down and we'll look for blogs specifically, because we know these websites are blogs that are making money with SEO already. And therefore, these are proven websites that we know we can monetize too. So depending on how big you want to play it, you can choose your monthly profit. Let's just say, for example, we want websites with a minimum monthly profit of $300 or more. And on the authority score, we want the authority score to be pretty low, because we know if that site can compete in this industry and we start a brand new AI SEO website, well, we can compete in that industry too, right? And additionally, you can filter down by age. Now, why would you want to filter down by age? Well, if you're competing with websites that have become an authority and scaled over 10 or 20 years, it's going to be very difficult for you to emulate that with your new AI SEO website that's just starting today. So let's filter down the age and look for websites that are starting to make money within 6 months or less. Now, as you can see, there's not many, but that's good because we've filtered down the websites that have only been started within the last year or so and are making a decent net profit already, and they're doing it with content. Plus, they only have a low authority score. And actually, if we scroll down, we could increase that authority score to 30 to give ourselves more options. Now, you might be wondering, what is an authority score? If you actually check out on Google, it's basically a way of measuring how many backlinks are pointing to that website so that you know, okay, if I build X amount of backlinks to my website, then I can compete. And the lower this authority score is, the better, because you can catch up with that site even quicker. And from here, you can just gradually gather new niches, find new opportunities, and find a proof of concepts of basically websites already doing well, and then use that for your own niche research. And it's not like you have to go into the same niche, but you can use this for inspiration and then come up with your own ideas too. So for example, like Man Planet, and then you've got details about the niche, the industry. You can check out the website yourself, for example, like this one or this one, and find opportunities that way. And it gives you a lot of inspiration because you're not starting from scratch on a blank piece of paper. You've actually got some ideas that you can play with and filter around and then branch off from. Obviously, Flippa is not the only place to buy and sell online businesses and basically find new niches. You know, for example, there's Flippa, there's Empire Flippers, there's Buy Sell Empire, all these other different brokerages where you can get ideas for niches quickly that just inspire you and help you find a proof of concept. So basically find SEO websites that are doing really well. Now, another way to find new AI SEO websites is to find niches that fall under these 4 categories. So number one, you want to make sure that if you're creating AI SEO content, the more subjective and opinionated that is, the better. For example, like spiritual niches are amazing for AI SEO simply because it's not facts driven. It's not based on data. And therefore, if you create content with AI for that particular niche, it doesn't matter. It's fine. You're not going to be misleading anyone. There's no strict definition. Except on top of that, you want to find sub-niches. So don't just go into a really broad niche, for example, like health or fitness. Don't try and do everything. The more you can narrow down, the easier it's going to be for you to compete as an AI SEO website. Simply because if you create a lot of content around one tiny sub-niche, no matter how small it is, well, then you've got a much higher chance of being seen as an authority versus like generalists where they've got super high domain authority, but they're not seen by Google as a topic expert. And obviously, I'm sure I've talked about this many times in previous videos, but always avoid your money or your life topics. So topics where if you give the wrong information, it could be detrimental to the person reading it. And additionally, I would recommend avoiding Amazon affiliate stuff. And that might sound silly because if you've seen my other case studies, I actually have Amazon affiliate sites, but these were started a long time ago. And looking back, if I could change one thing, it would be that. Don't go after monetization with Amazon affiliate, simply because, yes, it's easy, but for your margins, you get absolutely screwed. And I saw this post yesterday, hilariously by Igor, shout out to him, and some categories now with Amazon affiliate are actually at 0%. And that's the way Amazon commissions are going with affiliate. So if you can avoid that, then your income as a website is going to be way more predictable. Whereas if you're going after categories with a 0% commission fee, you're not going to make any money, but you're going to spend a lot of time creating that website. So don't make that mistake. And if you're looking for diversified affiliate schemes that are relevant to your industry, you can use GPT-4 and then browse with Bing. And you can ask it something really basic like find me the top 10, and then you just replace this with whatever niche you're in. Affiliate schemes to make money online for my SEO site must be specifically niche relevant to, and then you would insert your niche there, hit enter, and ChatGPT is going to take that browse the internet, find potential affiliate schemes that you could monetize your site with, and then you just diversify away from Amazon affiliate before you start your content, and you can tailor your keywords around the affiliate schemes that would bring in the most income for you. And it's way better to figure this out now when you do the niche research versus 6 months in when it's too late and you've already created all your content and monetized with Amazon. And you might say, like, can't you just do that with Google or something like that, Julian? Well, here's the thing. Once you've generated the results and you found the best affiliate programs in your niche, what you can ask ChatGPT to do is just put the best ones into a comparison table with commission rates so that you can compare which affiliate schemes are the best for you. And here's the thing, most content that you're going to find on this topic won't compare the data in this way. So if you can compare the affiliate program, the commission rate, the cookie duration, and other benefits included in that program, and you can see the references here, I've noticed that ChatGPT have created like a Perplexity style reference system. Well, all of a sudden by doing this, it's way easier to compare all the programs, figure out the best one for you. And you just take in the top ones rather than trying to research through 100. And you've got the name of the affiliate program. Plus this tells you how long after someone clicks on your link can you make a commission. Because if you can get commission after 20 days of that person clicking on the topic, well, all of a sudden it's way better for you. And obviously you want to use your own common sense here. Sometimes ChatGPT spits out the wrong fact. So you want to research the topic yourself, make sure it's actually correct. Check out the program so you can type in the name of the program along with the affiliate details, and then just click here, find out the details, and you can go from there and find some affiliate schemes that would bring you more money, would convert better, and have a longer cookie duration so that when you start creating your SEO site using AI, you're picking niches that are much easier and much more profitable to monetize. Now, the final way that you can find a ton of niches to go into is basically just by focusing on spiritual stuff. If we go back to those filtering metrics and we're looking for niches that are sub-niches, that are very subjective and opinionated, that aren't related to YMYL, and a low competition, I know one category that is pretty much always guaranteed to fall within these 4 guidelines, and that is spirituality. So if you can find a bunch of sub-niches for spirituality and then hone down and do the keyword research and find low domain rating websites ranking in that niche, you're onto a winner, because AI is perfect for spiritual related content. So you can ask ChatGPT, give me 20 sub-niches for the spirituality niche. And now we've got a bunch of different niches we can look into. And the great thing about spirituality as well is that you can create a lot of info products around it. For example, course, books, videos, etc. And when you're filtering down these sub-niches, and then filter it down even more. So find low competition keywords in that niche. Ideally, you want to get 100 or more. You want to focus on informational related content because it's going to be much easier to rank for informational related content. Plus, AI is really good at pumping that out and you can scale it really fast. On top of that, you want to find low authority sites ranking and getting traffic. So when you go through this list, ideally, you're going to find 5 to 10 low authority sites ranking, getting traffic, and monetizing. So that's the other thing. You want to make sure that if you go into any of these sub niches, you can actually monetize it, whether that's with ads, affiliate programs, info products, etc. If you can find a proof of concept, so basically other websites already doing that, you know you're onto a winner yourself, and then you can start creating content and producing tons of AI websites like this. And that's exactly how I can pump out as many new AI SEO websites as I want in just a matter of days. And you can just keep on repeating that process. And the beauty of artificial intelligence and AI is you can scale your content and you can launch really fast, especially if you follow the tutorials that I show on my YouTube channel. And that's why I also have this free course right here. So I'll leave a link in the comments. You get an instant access, and it's got tons of prompts, tons of tutorials, loads of video training that will teach you exactly how to launch new AI SEO websites, how to refine your niche research even more, and how to get awesome results just like this. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Appreciate you. Bye-bye.